Alright, so welcome to this very special episode of Our Road to Camelot. In this episode, I'm going to be unboxing and installing the Mopeka Pro propane gas monitoring system, and we're going to jump right on into it. So I ordered this bundle through Amazon, and it came with actually 2 of these rings that will go underneath the propane tank to keep it up off the metal platform. It came with 2 sensors. And then it's funny, in this kind of an Altoids looking box, this is actually an LED monitor that will mount inside the rig, so I don't have to use my phone if I don't want to. So this is the little monitor that's actually going to go inside. So that's all that's in the box. That and a quick start guide. So with this, I actually pull this out and I'm ready to go. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. I know I did a review a while back on the Mopeka propane gas monitor. That was an older system that I had. It kind of aged out. It's no longer being supported, so my phone doesn't necessarily recognize them anymore. So I've kind of been going blind for a while. So I went ahead and upgraded to this new system, which actually has this little monitor to go inside, so I don't have to rely on phone apps anymore. Alright, so now the actual sensor. So the actual sensor, once again, instructions on how to sync it up. It's got these little things that work as a stand, but we've got this rubber ring that's going to take the place of those. And then we actually have the monitor, which a button to sync, and magnets on the back. This should be a pretty simple, pretty easy install. So I pulled the tab out, so that basically is making the battery accessible, and there's no tab on that one. So let's hold that button down until it starts flashing, and then hold the sync. So that worked. So press the second one, hit the sync again. So now I got my left and my right. Just so there's no confusion for the future, I'm going to make this my left tank, and this is going to be my right tank. So this should actually work now as soon as I put these on the tanks. Making sure that both propane tanks are shut off while I do this, because I do want to pull the tank out, and I'll probably just unhook it while I do that. Alright, this tank is pretty low, almost empty. So this is going to be my right tank, so that mounts right in the center. Alright, and that basically just goes there. It protects this. Alright, so the tank sits in nice and neat. The rubber bottom is holding it in place. And I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that to the other side. And we'll check the monitor and see if it's reading properly. Alright, so I sunk both tanks up, left and right. The left tank, why is it not working? Apparently it unsunk itself. Alright, what went wrong? It worked outside, I bring it in, it's not working. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so apparently this little thing is not properly working. Oh, now it is. Now it's working. My left tank is full. And the right tank apparently is not sinking. Oh, now it is. Okay, so apparently this thing does work. I reinstalled it again, resunk it, used the grease this time. Apparently the grease was needed. And now it's actually working on this. While I was trying to figure it all out, I went ahead and downloaded the app on my phone. And now the phone actually shows the levels as well. So I can monitor this from my phone, or I can monitor it from this little Mopeka device, which I'm going to go ahead and mount right now. So my right tank is almost empty. It's down to 23%. Left tank is full. And I'm going to go ahead and mount this. It came with mounting screws, but to be honest, I think I'm just going to go ahead and use a command strip on the back and mount it. So let's see where it goes. All right, so using command strips, I have it in my command center. And there it is, mounted right next to my inverter info. So if I just press it, tank full. Yeah, so there it is, finally, tank near empty. So that's going to be it for this episode. That's the Mopeka propane monitor system. So now, both using my app on my phone and the device in my cabinet, I should be able to never run out of propane unexpectedly. So that's going to be it for this episode. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell, let you know when we post every Sunday at 2. Thumbs up for good measure, and I will see you on the road.